Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna make a quickie review about my first time doing quick review about an intimate wash. So this one is a skin whitening Beesline. Okay, it's whitening intimate wash. It's cleansing, whitening and refreshing product. Okay, it's a step one, so there's another step or another extra step, I don't know, but I use this one only, and it's a really nice wash. It's a 96% natural ingredients, and it's like a basic thing is lactic acid, which is very important for the private area because it's like the base thing for the private area. So this one I use it back and forth with another wash, so I'm not gonna talk about the whitening effect, to be honest, because I don't know. I'm not that dark in my private area, so actually I don't need a whitening effect, but I got it because why not? So maybe it will help in that. So for the whitening effect, I don't know if it's effective or not, but I'm gonna talk about the cleansing and the refreshing effect. It's really soft, really beautiful, smells so good, and when I use it I feel like very fresh and very clean, and in the same time in a very soft feminine way. You know what I mean? I don't know how to describe that, but it's really important to feel fresh and clean down there so you feel feminine and feel confident somehow. That's how I can describe it, or how I feel it. So yeah, for me, feeling good down there and feeling clean and refresh is very important for me. So this one is really good in doing that. Smells so good, feels so soft, and actually sometimes I use it under my arms, in my armpits, when I have just a small amount, just add it there for the whitening effect, not to anything else, but for the whitening effect, because I should be having this whitening effect. I don't know if it's working, but I say okay, I can use it in my underarm area because it's extensive area too, and at the same time I need to I use a lot of deodorants. I'm not dark in my armpit or my private areas. I'm not dark at all, but in the same time it will help to prevent being dark down there, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you wanna use it for refreshing, cleaning, feeling soft and feminine, it's working and very beautiful. I really love it. But for the whitening effect, give it a try, because I don't know. I guess I need to be more consistent using this. I guess to have the whitening effect, you need to use it twice a day, I guess. So give it a try if you want to, and if you try this one and it's working, whitening effect, let me know please, because I don't know. So this is for the review about this beautiful intimate wash. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.